So
Mhm.
you've decided these use cases, and let's say that you're building something internally.
Mhm.
What do you start off as a reference point on where to start? Like which model, which technique?
I would say the
Yeah.
first step I usually always tell or like encourage, and what I've also heard from my peers is that you start with that industry benchmark that I was talking about. Like if you look into some of the recent reasoning based models that has come up from both OpenAI as well as Claude, what they
Hmm.
excel in is like more complicated turn conversations as well as complicated reasoning or like processing of the data and then finding some, I would say, I'm hesitating to say it reason for a lot of reasons, but but I think the goal here is to highlight that can it do the point mapping, that why is it coming up with this process, and then give you some reference points that okay, step one, step two, step three, I tried this, and this is what I
Yeah.
find. So that
Hmm.
kind of helps you think through the process a little bit more if
Hmm.
your work is that complicated. Sometimes some
Hmm.
workflows are not that complicated, and we really don't need reasoning models for that. Like I said, smaller SLMs work better if you have
Hmm.
a good relation with your business counterpart and you can get some of their subject matter experts time. You can
Yeah.
build up a small level of very uh, compact but very clean and perfect data set that you can then use for your fine tuning, or even use
Hmm.
it as like a, I would say, few shot based model training if you don't want to go through the entire fine tuning process. Again,
Hmm.
that depends on what kind of complexity the problem has, as well
Yeah.
as what are you really trying to achieve. If it's achievable by just a prompt, maybe use a large language model, see where
Hmm.
you're failing. If that
Yeah.
fail point is more perfection, try it with
Hmm.
like a few shot model, because
Yeah.
that will give you more insight, or the model more insight on what kind of output you're looking for. If
Yeah.
again you see some fail points, maybe now it's a good time to think about really fine tuning it for your purpose,
Hmm.
and fine tuning in the post training phase to fine tuning for your use case. But I think
Hmm.
the logic behind each step is that start with the easiest implementation, see where your fail points are, identify gaps that could be filled potentially quickly, and that is where
Yeah.
you quickly get some good quality data gathered from business. Try it
Hmm.
with few shots, again, then go step by step.